Hey, good morning. Happy Tech Time Tuesday. Today is a very special Tech Time. I'm joined with Robert Henderson, the man who pretty much started it all. And in past episodes, we've talked about the radius rods, we've talked about sway bars. Today, I wanted to share something extra special about the synergy. So, Robert, tell us a little bit about why a person would come in and not just get radius rods or not just get a sway bar. Why would it be important to get both of them?
Oh, Rich, I love that word. Synergy is one of my favorite words because when you put the right combination of parts together, it's not like 1 and 1 equals 2. It's like 1 and 1 equals 3 because one's going to complement the other part. In a case like this, if we're going to install either the sway bar or the radius rods, you got to take the sway bar bolts loose to install either one of them. So if you're at it, you might as well go ahead and install the sway bar along with the radius rods. If you're doing radius rods, you might as well go ahead and install the sway bar at the same time. You're going to cut out a lot of overlapping labor if you do it at a different time. This is our Super Steer heat-treated sway bar. This sway bar is probably a good 30% stronger than a normal 1 3/4 inch sway bar because of the heat treating we do on it. Plus we have the extra large heavy duty end links, which the geometry straighten out, so we're going to get a lot better handling of that. But at the same time, if we're doing the radius rods, we're going to also cut out body roll because we found out when we install the radius rods, we also cut out some of the twisting that goes in and out of driveways. Rich and I were together, and I remember Rich doesn't claim to be the most testing and evaluating products. Not his job. But you know what? When he hopped in the coach, when we put the radius rods on it, he said, wow, this thing's got less sway. You could feel noticeably less sway. They've got a small, narrow bushing with a lot of movement in it here. The radius rods help take some of that twist out of the bushing, which translated to less body roll. The nice thing about the radius rods also, when you hit the brakes hard, the axle has a tendency to want to twist without the radius rod. With the radius rod on here, since we're attached firmly here and back here, now it doesn't allow that front end to nosedive if you ever had to slam on the brakes. Why is that important? Is you have less chance of breaking the rear wheels loose and going into a slide. So huge improvement when you put those two together.
Awesome. Well, sorry about the Jeep starting over here. We're just getting started here at the shop.
We're going to
But so what I heard is it's so if Rich can see a difference and I'm not tech minded, you definitely know that these products are working. Well, Robert, thanks for letting us know. I'm going to show you this video right here. This is a video where it shows the leaf spring coming open and compressing, and that's what these radius rods keep from happening. And these are really great parts. A lot of customers are super happy with them. And in previous Tech Times, we've interviewed people who just rave about them. So if you're going to get something done on your coach, like Robert said, use the synergy of two parts together because what you said, 1 + 1 doesn't equal 2, it equals 3, right? So,
Okay.
All right. Well, thank you for watching this Tech Time video. Until we see you in another one, we wish you safer and happier driving.
Have a blessed day.